Welcome to Dortech Garage Doors Repair Scarborough, your trusted source for comprehensive garage door services in Scarborough and the Greater Toronto Area. Whether you're a homeowner looking to enhance your home's curb appeal or a business owner in need of reliable commercial garage solutions, we have got you covered. Residential garage doors. Our skilled installers are experts in residential garage door installation. Choose from a stunning array of designs, materials, and styles that suit your preferences and budget. Commercial garage doors. For businesses, we offer high quality and durable commercial overhead doors. Our installation team ensures these doors are expertly fitted for optimal security. Garage door repairs. We understand garage door issues can be frustrating. Our licensed technicians are available 24/7 for emergency and same-day repairs. Garage door springs. Torsion and extension springs are crucial for safe operation. We install new springs and replace broken ones to ensure your safety. Garage door openers. Our overhead door openers guarantee easy and smooth door operation. We install openers from leading brands for your convenience. Garage door parts. From nuts to hinges and panels to weather strips, we have a comprehensive catalog of parts. Garage door remote. Is your remote acting up? Our experts can quickly diagnose and fix the issue. Garage door cables. Damaged cables can compromise safety. Our licensed professionals specialize in cable replacement. Conclusion. For the best-in-class garage door services in the GTA, trust the expertise of Dortech Garage Doors Repair Scarborough. Contact us today at 416-878-1084 or visit our website for a free consultation. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we look forward to delivering the ultimate garage door solutions tailored to your unique needs. Say goodbye to inconvenience and hello to hassle-free operation with Dortech Garage Doors Repair Scarborough.